This next project I'm going to be sharing about started off with a conversation. My brother runs a chicken shop in Argentina, and one day he was telling me about how exhausting it is to keep up with price changes. With annual inflation peaking at 210 just in 2023 in Argentina, this means that suppliers have to frequently update their prices, meaning that also my brother has to frequently keep up with the price changes. So out of this frustrating situation, that's where PricePoint came to be. I created this mobile app to help my brother dynamically update the prices on the products that he sells, as well as also tracking customer invoices all in one place on his mobile phone. No guesswork, no paperwork, just a simple application that helped him with this problem. Since my brother lives in a small town and people know each other pretty well, some customers would ask to put their purchases on their tab in order to pay for them another day or whenever they have enough money to pay for what they purchased. So in order to help him with this, I decided to add a ledger feature to the application where he would be able to create customer profiles, log in exactly what they spent money on. So this feature essentially helped my brother not have to keep a bunch of paper receipts. It helped him to quickly know how much somebody owed and be able to update grand totals as people make either full or partial payment. Now, one of the challenges in this project was that my brother needed this quickly. At first, I thought about building a native mobile app, but because I am more experienced in web development and making full stack applications, I wanted to be able to provide him with the tool as soon as possible. So rather than creating a native application, I opt to use Ionic, which is a framework that essentially wraps your web app in a way that turns it into a mobile application. It helps you use UI elements that you would often find on mobile applications, and it also allows users to download this website as a mobile application on their phones. This was a quick way for me to get going, get building on this application that he desperately needed, as well as using some of the web development tools that I was already familiar with. One of my favorite things about being a developer is the ability to create things that can help people in the day-to-day life. And a lot of the times that could be simply pointing somebody to an existing tool, and other times it could mean building something from scratch. So I think a great way to sharpen your skills or come up with app ideas or project ideas is to talk to your family, talk to your friends, and ask them about what they do at work, what are their day-to-day, maybe mundane tasks that they might have to do. And maybe in those conversations, you'll find a great idea that not only helps you as a developer to sharpen your skills, but it can also help others. If you're curious about PricePoint and want to check it out for yourself, I actually updated a demo version on it on one of my websites, so I will make sure to post a link down below and play around with it, try to break it. If you find any bugs or if you have any advice or any observations, feel free to reach out. I'd love to know about it, and yeah, enjoy it.